Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook palak. First, gather about 1 pound of fresh spinach leaves, ensuring they are vibrant and green. Rinse the spinach meticulously under cool running water for at least 30 seconds to remove all traces of soil or grit. After washing, carefully remove any tough or yellowed stems. This step ensures a smoother texture for your dish. Proper preparation at this stage is crucial for a delicious outcome. Next, blanching the spinach is vital for maintaining its vibrant green color and tender texture. Bring a large pot of water to a rapid boil, then carefully submerge the cleaned spinach. Let it cook for precisely 1 minute. Overcooking here can make it mushy. Quickly transfer the blanched spinach into a bowl of ice water for about 2 minutes. This rapid cooling halts the cooking, preserving its beautiful color and nutrients. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our palak. Heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee or your preferred cooking oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped medium onion and sauté it gently until it turns soft and translucent, which takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic and approximately 1 inch of grated ginger. Cook these aromatics for an additional 60 seconds until fragrant. With your blanched spinach and fragrant aromatics ready, it is time to create that signature silky texture. Carefully squeeze all the excess water from the blanched spinach. This prevents a watery final dish. Transfer the spinach and the sautéed onion, garlic, and ginger into a blender or food processor. Process until the mixture is entirely smooth and creamy, adding just 1 or 2 tablespoons of water if necessary to achieve the desired consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.